Yeah. Another video on Baby Doge. I mean, how can you not invest in Baby Doge? Check 40%, 40% in a day, 40% up in a day. And the whole week, how much has it gone up? Check this out. What? It's crazy. Just look at the gradient of that line. It's insane. Look, it's almost sitting at a 90-degree angle. This is mad. It's absolutely insane. It's just absolutely rocketing. Come on, guys. If you haven't invested in Baby Dodge, it's not too late. It's still gonna climb a lot. It's still gonna climb a lot. It's still really affordable. And you know what? Out of all the billionaires, I trust Elon the most. So yeah, look, um, I know he's got a reputation to protect. So and yeah, he's not gonna. If Baby Dodge gets rug pulled, no, then then you can say goodbye to the whole crypto market because the very guy that was backing it now, his own coin gets rug pulled. Just imagine how people are going to react. Reputation, guys. So yeah, no, this looks like it's a bull run. It's sitting at nearly 40%, but I believe it's going to go much higher. I see it going much higher. So yeah, guys, if you're not invested in Baby Dodge, you guys are missing out. I'm sorry to say, but you guys are missing out. 2022 is the year for Baby Dodge, Dodge Elon. Oh, those guys, they're just gonna rock it. Yeah, no, yeah, guys. Look, man, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. If you like this kind of content, please. If you want me to carry on making these kind of videos, um, yeah, like I said, I'm going to be posting videos of the programs that I build and just to keep you guys entertained. So, yeah, here's Dodgy on Mars. It's down a bit, but overall, it's gone up this week. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. And thanks, guys, for all of you guys watching my videos. Um, I had a video here on Dodgy on Mars and it got 138 views. That's phenomenal. And it's in like 2 days. So thank you guys. Thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. And thanks for the support throughout the year. So yeah, I'm going to keep on posting these kind of videos and keep you guys updated. And yeah, I don't want you guys to invest in coins where in rug pulls, basically in coins where you're going to lose your money or anything like that. um, Not even to test because it's not right. I think yeah, everybody deserves a chance, and your money should always be protected. Um, I mean, what's the point of capitalism um, if your money just gets basically stolen? It's not it's not right. It's yeah. I mean, what the heck? Then those companies that do those sort of things shouldn't exist. Yeah, they should just not exist, you know. And yeah, yeah. And what else can I tell you guys? Yeah, things are also looking up on my YouTube channel. Um, a lot of support coming through on my YouTube channel, which is fantastic. Some comments as well. New subscribers. Um, yeah, all of that. It's awesome. The metrics. Looks like most of my traffic is coming from Facebook and okay, WhatsApp. Yeah, there's a few. Google searches, Twitter, uh, even YouTube searches. So it's quite diversified. All right, guys. Thanks a lot, and I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of content. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace.